Now we are going to measure magnetic field along the axis of coil. So for that, this is the gauge meter and this is the axial gauge probe. So the gauge probe is connected to the gauge meter, and then when the power supply is off, 0 is adjusted so that display will show 0. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to switch on the power supply. So now we are going to switch on the power supply at its maximum. It's 4.52 amperes. Now move this axial probe towards the center of this. Note down the readings corresponding to the distance moved. See, at the center it is maximum, and then again it's going down. We are going to see the effect of magnetic field along the axis of the coil. For that, this bench should be placed in the east-west direction. We are here to perform the experiment of magnetic field along the axis of coil. So this is the power supply, and right now we are going to measure the deflection in the compass. So first of all, switch off the power supply and make sure compass is at 0. Now switch on the power supply. And now see, due to the magnetic field of the coils, there is some deflection in the compass. Now move this compass towards the center of the coil and note down the corresponding readings. Now we are moving away from the coil.